Hello children, welcome to the online edu class of science in which we are going to study artificial satellite. It's chapter number 13. Now let me tell you about the satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite refers to a machine that is launched into space and moves around the earth or another body in space. Moon is an example of natural satellite. The moon is a satellite because it moves around the earth. Let me tell you about the different types of satellite. There are two types of satellite. One is natural satellite and the other one is artificial satellite. Let us study little bit more about our natural satellite. You know children that moon revolves round the earth and earth revolves round the sun. So earth has one moon, that means it is a natural satellite of earth. Saturn is a planet which is having 82 moons. Then the next one is our Jupiter. Jupiter is having set 9 moons as its satellite. Now let's have little bit more focus on our artificial satellite. What are artificial satellite? Man-made objects in space. They are used to study our Earth, solar system and universe. I would like to tell you more about our space travelers. Our first satellite was Sputnik, which was launched in the year 1957. The space travelers are Yuri Gagarin. He was the first Russian man to go into the space. Next one is Valentina Tereshkova. She was the first Russian woman to go into the space. And you know the space very nicely. That is Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into the space. Means first Indian man to go into the space. Now let's study little bit more about our Indian satellite. Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite launched in 1975. Then Rohini. After that Cartosat 2. Then our Indian satellite, that is INSAT 1D. Along with this there are many other satellites which we have launched. Now we will see how the satellites, that is weather satellite, there are different types of artificial satellite on earth we have created. So one is the weather satellite. Let us see what is its use. Weather satellite is used to give the pictures of storms. This is the picture of flood. Then they gives the knowledge about the forest fire. Then they are used to tell us about when the cyclone is going to occur. Then they tell us also about the moving glaciers. Now we will study about the communication satellite. This satellite is used to send signals of television programs from one country to another. Now we will see what are the various parts of satellite. Satellite is having solar panel, receivers and transmitters. From the ground station, the signals are picked up by the receiver and transmitted through the transmitter to the destination station. Now you see that the application of satellites, they are used to tell us more about the weather. These satellites sends the signal and tell us about the security. With the help of this satellite, we are making the use of internet. GPS is also based on it. Radio signals on which we are enjoying different types of songs and other knowledgeable programs are also the gift of satellite. Television, you're enjoying with your family, sitting all together at one roof and having fun. This is also one of the application of satellite. Telephone, which makes you to communicate from one person to another sitting a long distance away from you. Now I'm going to tell you about space shuttle. Astronauts come back in the space shuttle when the mission is over. Then rocket. Shuttle can be used again, but rocket is used only once. You are familiar with this phrase, I hope so. I hope you have clearly understood the satellite and its application, and it's time to complete our assignment. And our assignment is complete the question answer of worksheet in your notebook and also post your textual exercise in class notebook after completing it. Thank you.